Hi, thank you for visiting my YouTube channel Biswas Dancefloor. My name is Harahari and today's dance tutorial is Arjun signature step of seeti maar DJ song. If you have not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of my latest dance tutorial. Let's start. Okay, now let's start. The step is starting from right leg. Okay, got it? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These steps is you have to do 2 times. Okay, 2 times. Now let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next step. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? From here, just slowly, and left leg is up. Okay, and same here. Okay, got it? Now start from beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from beginning. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hope you have enjoyed this Arjun signature step of seeti maar DJ song. Then please hit the like button and comment me on the below comment section. Thanks for watching.